Now we're looking at examples of some questions under mirror formula, how it's being used in spite of the kind of mirrors we have. Now, question one says, if an object 12 centimeter high is placed 18 centimeter from a convex mirror. I want to take note of this. The height of the object and the distance of the object from the mirror. Our question is not involving height, so this is a distraction. Is placed 80 centimeter from a convex mirror. Very important, because if I'm using 1 over f equals 1 over u plus 1 over v, therefore 1 over minus 10, because the focal length of a convex mirror is negative, is equal to 1 over u plus, 1 over 18, that's the object distance, plus 1 over v. So it means I have minus 1 over 10 minus 1 over 18 is equals 1 over v. So if you check this out, the LCM of 10 and 18, if you don't know how to do LCM, just say 10 times 18. So 10 takes up 10, I have minus 18. Minus 18 takes up 18, I have 10. Is equals 1 over v. So minus 28 over 180 is equals 1 over v. If you turn it up, you have v is equal to minus 180 over 28, which equals minus 6.42 centimeter. Now, very important you note, the negative sign here that indicates that the image is virtual. That's what it indicates. It's just like when I say a force is negative minus 10 Newton. What it means is that it is in an opposite direction. That's what this negative sign is showing to this description. So also, this negative sign is describing the image for us that is a virtual image. Now, if I show this in a ray diagram where I have this to be the mirror shaded inside, that means it's a convex mirror, and the object is placed here. We said this is our pole, this is F, and this is C. The image, remember, under image formation, the image is virtual, it is erect, and it is diminished. And the image is always between F and P. So this is my image. From this point to this mirror is our image distance, which is V. From this mirror to the object is our object distance, which is U. Therefore, I can say the distance between the object and image, the distance between the object and image is equals V plus U. So therefore, distance is equals, what is my V? My V is not minus 6.42. My V is 6.42 centimeter. Plus, remember the negative sign is only telling us the description of the image. So it is 6.42 plus the object distance is 18. That's our U, plus 18 centimeter. So that will now become 24.42 centimeter. That's our distance. So this is a further question that we were not asked here, but I went further to just show you how the distance between the object and the image can be what now calculated for. But this was what our question asked us. I just went further to show you how it can be calculated for. Thank you. Now let's look at question number 2. An object 2 centimeter high, like I told you again, this is also a distraction in the question. 2 centimeter high is placed at a distance, this is what I need, object distance, from a concave mirror. Concave mirror, all these points are important. Or focal length 50 centimeter, calculate the image distance. So I go again, 1 over f is equals 1 over u plus 1 over v. For a concave mirror, focal length is positive. So I have 1 over, what's our focal length? Our focal length is 15 centimeter. 1 over 15 is equal to 1 over object distance is 20 centimeter over 20 plus 1 over v. So I have 1 over 15 minus 1 over 20 equals 1 over v. Now LCM is 15 times 20. This takes off this, I have 20. 20 times 1 is 20. Minus this takes off this, I have 15. 15 times 1 is 15 is equals 1 over v. So I have 5 over 15 times 20 equals 1 over v. Upturn everything. This cancel this first, you have 3. So I have 1 over 60 equals 1 over v. Therefore, v is equals 60 centimeter. That's our v. Now, what about if we want to go further? How would this be described? This is the ray diagram. Remember, this is now a concave mirror. So it's shaded outside. Now, this is the pole. This is our focus, and this is our center of curvature. The object distance is 20. So, and the focal length is 15. So this is 15. So at 20, the object was placed. At 20, the object was placed. Now remember, this is between F and C. If an object is placed between F and C, remember the image is always beyond C. We've done that in our previous class. So now it means that I'm expecting an image beyond C, and the image is magnified, is and is inverted. The image form is inverted and magnified. So now this is my object. This is my image. So you see that the answer of where the image will be, that's the image distance of the image to the mirror is our V, distance of the object to the mirror is our U. So you see that the image distance is definitely larger than our object distance. That's why our answer is 60. Now, it's not carrying a negative sign because the image is real. If it was virtual, it would have been taking a negative sign. You see it, it will come out itself. That is a virtual image. Now, what is now the distance between this image and the object? So, distance between objects and image, D is equal to V minus U, which is now 60 minus 20. So the answer is 40 centimeters. So you can see that in this case, we are subtracting. But in the previous example, we were adding. Why? When the object and the image are on the same side, you subtract. But when they are on the opposite side, object this side, image the other side, or object this side, image the other side, you add. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you. Now let's look at question number 3. An object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters from a concave mirror of radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, 30 centimeters. Now remember we said arrow is equals to F. Therefore, F is equals arrow over 2. So focal length is now equals 30 over 2, which equals 15 centimeter. I have solved from my focal length, from my radius of curvature. I've solved for that. So I can now apply 1 over F is equals 1 over U plus 1 over V. 1 over 15 is equal to 1 over my object distance is 20 centimeter over 20 plus 1 over V. 20 plus 1 over V. So we are looking for image distance. So take this way is 1 over 15 minus 1 over 20 equals 1 over U. If you take the LCM, it's take it as 15 times 20. This becomes 20 minus 15 is equals 1 over v. Then we now have 5 over 15 times 20 equals 1 over v. So you have this 3, you now have 1 over 60 equals 1 over v. Therefore, v equals 60 centimeter. So that's how this is solved. Thank you.